back again. Ayun sa... Kung saan sa kami dumadaan. Oh. Tapos tingnan nyo yung tree. Which one? Which one? Yeah. Push. Michael, push. 1, 2, 3. Cheese. Kung saan kami pumupunta. Andali, yung ano ko nakaano. Sunglass ako. Oh. Maganda dito. Oh. Yung tree. Kakatakot lang kasi. Ano siya. Oh. Kung saan kami pumupunta. Oh, can we... Pagod na ako. Hindi ko alam kung saan kami pupunta. Sundan mo ang tanaw. Where are we going, Michael? Do you know where we're going? Where is the...
We're going back home.
Do you think this is the right way?
I think I know this place.
We never been here.
Actually,
Kung saan na kami pumupunta.
that way.
No.
So that
Gubat.
way must have been a secret way.
Oh, I saw people now. It means that's the end of the... Look. Tingnan nyo dito. Ayan. Tapos, kung saan dumadaan. Can you see where we are now?
It's getting colder.
Yeah, I know.
Lloyd's nightmare. When the air gets colder, once you
This L.
sleep,
Yeah.
they try
This is nice to play here.
one of them.
You can climb. Ang ganda ng araw. Ah, pakita ko yung araw.
You
Oh.
almost do once you're asleep.
And
when you
it's the Magordon is coming out. Wow.
it's like,
Uy, but it's so cute. That is a nice tree.
now we're back on the path.
We'll check the tree. Good. We are in the path now.
Where even are we?
Yeah.
We should have walked.
Where?
Further.
Look, Michael said have else. Oh, it looks like an old tree. Oh, you're right.
There's another door in that tree.
What is inside of this? Looks like a flower. Wow. Ella, I want to take a photo of you there. Andale. Yeah, you can, but you take a photo. Can I take a photo of you here first? Okay.
Oh, do you look at that?
It's okay. Dito naman kami sa aming kagubatan. It's nice in here though for the children to play. Hmm?
But creepier than I think.
Yeah, it's like ooh.
See?
Yes.
This is more like Stranger Things.
Yeah, the Stranger Things like,
It was like a
and then the Magordon come out. Ooh.
or like
Oh.
a doormat on that big flowery thing. That big flowery. What the garden. I can actually see.
You want to climb in here, Michael? Hmm. It's cute, huh? No. What is inside? Oh, I think you can do the. Oh, did they do some? No, you're not allowed to do the campfire in here. They only make a house, but not.
Because everything will be
It's so scary. This one.
fire, and then
Look.
it's more like a wizard's land.
Yeah. Oh, be
And
careful.
it's more like that brick I saw must have been a house.
Yeah, they have more there.
And I think
Mm.
the bricks were like something to do with it.
Mommy,
Can I use all my paper to make some decoration, like birthday stuff? For the trees to be decoration.
Yeah.
That thing. Mommy, I think I know where we are.
Where?
In a tiny village
Uh-huh.
was destroyed.
Village that is
There's
destroyed.
only one brick
Mm-hmm.
remaining.
Look, they did something else too in here. They did well in here.
They make another house.
This is the... Wow. Yeah. Come on in here, Ella. Don't stay there. Come on, let's go. Out.
We should get out of here.
Why? Come here din. Kung saan ka kasi pumupunta.
I think it's a mouse gonna be here and kill me.
Oh, no. Ang laki ng puno na to.
Mommy, it's a ghost.
Yeah, if someone...
Mommy, please I take my...
Can you jump? 1, 2.
There's a man.
Oh, wow.
Warning.
Look at the man. What is that?
Structures of ash, trees, and cause the trees to become unstable. It is now present throughout this site and is a safety. Sign can't threat public safety. Visitors should be
Vigilant.
vigilant at all times on this site of risk of falling trees.
What's next?
We avoid
Advice. Yeah.
avoiding visiting during high winds.
Mm. You like it? You like it, Michael?
Yeah, it's a city wheel. I just sit in it.
What's that, Tela? Okay. Oops.
Can I join this week?
Come on. Dito naman kami sa pond. Ay. Oh, lumipad yung duck. Oh, did you see that? The duck fly. The duck fly, isn't it? Eh po.
Yeah.
Maganda dito eh. Mm.
Mommy, the duck's so cool.
You bring the soy sauce in.
Yeah, I forgot to bring soy sauce. Yeah. You just share together. Yeah, kain. Oh, wow. You're doing well.